Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting your keyboard recognized on the PS5 and in Rocket League. This removes input lag sources early. Once connected, enable keyboard controls in the game's options and create a simple control profile. Make sure to map primary driving inputs first: throttle, brake, steer, boost, because they form the foundation of every play. Do this now so subsequent adjustments focus on advanced moves instead of basic navigation, and you'll feel the control respond consistently from the first match. Once your base mappings are active, refine how the game feels by adjusting camera and sensitivity settings for precision. You want a wide FOV and comfortable distance so you can judge boost and ball position. Change sensitivity to allow quick directional changes without overshooting. Then bind advanced actions like dodge, flip, and air roll to keys you can reach without shifting your hands. That reduces missed presses midair. These tweaks let you perform consistent aerials and quick flicks because the controls match your. You finish by building habits and solving common hiccups. Practice specific drills in training packs for consistent execution, and switch to free play to test transitions. If inputs fail or keys feel intermittent, reassign those functions or try a different keyboard to isolate hardware versus settings issues. Also disable any console overlays that may capture keystrokes. Finally, save separate control profiles so you can switch quickly between playstyles or hardware. This wraps setup, and you'll be match-ready with predictable keyboard performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.